Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So we are filling up our water tank today. Yes, we on a mission. It's cold outside. It was raining earlier, but hey, we still got this, right? Okay. Yes. So we have two totes in the back of Richard truck. You guys can see that right there. I hope so. We got two totes in the back of Richard truck, and we filling up our water tank. Some of y'all know us, some of y'all don't know us. My name is Karima. My husband's name is Richard, and we live off grid full time. So to fill up our water tank, it costs us about $25. We just put the quarters inside. There's many ways you can fill up your water tank, and there's many ways you can get water off grid. You get water off grid with a well. You could have somebody in your area, or there's local people that have their own business that will top off your water tank. You just pay them a little fee. Or you could do it yourself. So there's many of ways to get water off grid. So we are doing it ourselves today.
Two hundred and 50 gallons, about 4,000 pounds. So I don't overfill it because my truck is rated to about 4,000 pounds.
So it's a little noisy out here, but we are pumping the water back into our tank. This tank right here is 2,500 gallons, and we are filling up our water, y'all. So that's what we're doing right now. So y'all, do y'all think y'all can do this lifestyle? Live off grid? Right now, we are currently filling up our tank right there. That tank, that water will last us 3 months, and it costs $25 to fill it up, y'all. Yeah? I'm not playing. For real. Y'all think y'all can do it? Let me know in the comments who could do this lifestyle. Living off grid full time, y'all.